Morning, family. It's another day. Tagala Mugagari. Going to wait now. You see what I'm doing here? This one is very important, more powerful than Jesus Christ.
You don't know.
This one can protect me, can protect my properties. You see? When I do things like this, I know that my property are safe. Even myself at night when I'm sleeping, I know that I'm safe. If you believe that Jesus Christ can protect you and your property, try one night. Leave the door, don't lock. Just pray to Jesus, go to work or sleep over the night. The door open. We will see if Jesus will protect you. Thank you.